It should get wet. It's just a light drizzle.
Oh shit, my shoes are getting wet. Oops.
Go on the sidewalk.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Seriously, I'm sick of mud.
Your mom, before I think I'm more crazy walking in the rain.
She don't care. It's just rain. It's not like it's thundering.
No.
If it was thundering, that'd be out of the question.
It's just water.
Cold water.
Your cigarettes are really confused. Did I tell you to say you wanted to walk to the cafe?
Yep.
We'll go that way.
This way?
Yeah. It's shorter.
All right, yeah.
So we can just go that way. So, Deb, when Lon first started smoking, Deb, like, okay, I'm gonna give you your own pack. Not one every 5 minutes. Oh, he smoked it in a day.
Are you serious?
Yeah, she's like, what? He's like,